Welcome to your prenatal yoga practice. My name is Dulcinea Dumont. Let's begin with a nice deep breath in and a big exhale. Bringing your right palm to your belly, left palm to your heart. Begin to follow your breath, breathing in for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Connecting to your baby and exhaling. Beginning our practice today, our first pose is Child's Pose, Balasana, bringing the knees wide, toes to touch, hips back, stacking the palms right on top of one another for a modified Child's Pose. Breathing here and exhale, letting go. Inhale. And on your next exhale, coming up to tabletop, stacking shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat, rounding the spine. Inhale, cow, hips draw up. Exhale, cat, chin to chest. Inhale, cow, shoulder blades back. And exhale, cat, really rounding the spine here. Coming back to tabletop with the breath. Inhale. And exhale, downward dog. Let's begin by walking the feet out, bending one knee and then the other, using the breath with each movement. Inhale and exhale, bend. Coming into stillness now on your next breath in. And as you exhale, gazing forward, stepping the feet to frog pose, nice wide stance, feet splayed out. Drawing the elbows in towards the knees, palms together, taking a deep breath in. And on your exhale, coming into a forward fold, planting the palms, taking an inhale and then a nice exhale. We'll inhale to a halfway lift, shoulder blades together. And on your exhale, letting go. Inhale to rise high to mountain. And exhale, swan dive forward, hinging from the hips. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale to high plank, walk your feet back, drop your hips, taking a deep breath in into your core strength. And on your exhale, dropping the knees, elbows into the rib cage. Inhale, upward dog, gazing up. And on your exhale, finding your downward facing dog. Taking a nice deep breath in, pushing the hips back. Exhale, gaze forwards, walk the feet forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise high, reaching up, stretch. And exhale, hinge from the hips, swan dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high plank. Building some strength here, squeezing from the core. Inhale and exhale, dropping the knees down to the earth, elbows into the rib cage. Inhale, upward dog. Breathe into that beautiful white light. And on your exhale, finding your downward dog. Taking another deep breath in, gazing forward. Exhale, walking the feet forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, Tadasana. Exhale, swan dive. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high plank. Take a deep breath into your strength. Exhale, dropping the knees, elbows in. Inhale, shoulder blades back. Open up the spine. Exhale, Balasana. Reaching the hips back as far as it's comfortable. Stacking the palms if that feels good for the modified pose here. Just listening to your body while breathing into your baby's home. Inhale. Exhale, walking the palms back out. We'll inhale, tabletop. And exhale, downward dog. Inhaling the right leg high. And exhale, drawing the foot to the top of the mat, nice wide stance. Bringing the back knee down for a low lunge. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, plant the palms to the mat. Spin your back heel to a 90-degree angle. Inhale, rise to warrior two. Arms reach wide. Exhale, extended side angle pose. Inhale, reverse warrior, reach back. Exhale, extended, reach forward. Inhale, reverse warrior. And exhale, extended, working the core here. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the palms to the mat. Step back to your high plank. Inhale here. Exhale, knees to the earth. Upward dog, opening the chest. And exhale, returning to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, reach your left leg high. Exhale to low lunge, drop the back knee down. Inhale, slowly coming up, reaching the arms up on the inhale breath. And as you exhale, planting the palms, working towards your warrior two, nice and slow. Breathing in as you rise and reach your arms in opposition. Finding your calm, finding your breath here, breathing into your baby's home. Exhale to extended, gazing up at the sky. Inhale, reverse warrior, opening the side rib cage. Exhale, extended, pushing into that back heel. Inhale, reverse warrior, just flowing with the wind here. Exhale, extended. One more time. Inhale, reverse. And exhale, cartwheel your palms to the inside of your front knee, stepping back to your high plank. Exhaling, inhaling to cobra or upward dog, whatever feels good for you. And finding your downward facing dog. Inhale, reach your right leg high. Exhale, once again, low lunge. Slowly rising with the breath on the inhale. And exhaling, planting the palms, preparing for your crescent lunge, straightening your back leg, pushing through that back heel, rising up as you breathe in, reaching for the sky. We'll airplane the arms back on the exhale. Inhale, up, exhale, back, reaching the arms back. Inhale, reaching up, exhale, reaching back. One more time. Inhale up. And exhale, plant the palms, step your foot back, take a deep breath in, and exhale. Inhale, upward dog, and exhale, moving nice and slow, downward dog. Let's do the other side. Inhale, reach your left leg high. Exhale to low lunge, dropping the back knee down. Inhale, slowly coming up, breathing in, reaching back. Drawing your right hip forward, left hip back. Exhale, plant the palms, working towards your crescent lunge, finding your gaze. Inhale, reaching up to the sky, pushing through that back heel. And exhale, airplane the arms back. Inhale up. This is great for your core, for your building some strength here in your body. Exhale, once again, arms back. Inhale, reach high, and exhale, plant the palm. Bring your knees together. Inhale to upward dog, elbows in. And exhale. Let's take a moment to relax in child's pose before moving on to our keep ups. And as you breathe here, just relax and let go. Preparing for keep ups. Keep ups help us utilize our mind to overcome limitations that exist in our bodies, helping with labor and endurance. These are amazing, guys. This is for 3 minutes. You can do it. Elbows toward the earth, arms perpendicular. Inhale, up, sweep back, exhale back. Inhale up, exhale back. We're going to begin nice and slow here, working towards fast. Inhale up, exhale back. Inhale up, exhale back. Be in touch with your breath, working towards matching your breath to your movement. With every exhale, let go of tension, let go of something that no longer serves you. Breathing in, Breathing out. Clear out negative thoughts, letting them go one by one. You can do this. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. I challenge you to smile as you do this. Smile through the pain. It doesn't get easier, but trust me, if you can keep up, you will be kept up. Breathe in, breathe out, in, out, in, out. Keep it up. Let go of the tension, clear out those negative thoughts, letting them go with every exhale, one by one. Inhale, exhale, let them go. Inhale, exhale. Keeping your jaw soft, breathing in, breathing out, really focusing on the breath to overcome the mind. You're almost there, just a few more. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Nice deep breath in, reach the arms wide, open up the heart space. Exhale, guide the palms to the heart. Take a moment to breathe into your heart. Breathe into your baby's home. Bringing the palms to the knees. Take a nice inhale and exhale it out. All right, let's do some nice stretching now. Bringing the feet together, knees wide. Inhale, roll the shoulder blades back. And exhale, draw the forehead towards the earth, relaxing the shoulders. Just getting a nice stretch along the back of the spine. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale to roll up and exhale, spread your legs as wide as you can. Inhale, reaching the arms up. And exhale, right hand to right foot or shin. Exhale, the arm over. Inhale, reach wide. Exhale, over, moving with the wind. Inhale, reach wide. One more time, exhale. Inhale, reach. Coming back to center, opposite side. Inhale to reach. Exhale to fold. Exhale. Inhale, reach. One more time, exhale, fold. Inhale, nice deep reach, and coming back to center. Crossing the legs now. We're going to do a spinal flex, keeping our spine nice and healthy for baby's arrival. Inhale, roll the shoulder blades back. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, exhale. Keeping that spinal fluid running through our spine, keeping us young and vibrant. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Coming back to center on the inhale. Exhale, letting it go, whatever it is. And preparing for circles. Exhale to roll back, making circles with your tailbone. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. One more time, inhale. Stop, going the other way. Exhale, making circles the other way. Just circulating the spine, opening up the body with these nice circles. Coming back to center on the inhale. And on your exhale, stretching your arms wide. Last exercise, let's bring up the energy. Exhale, inhale, twisting at the wrists, twisting at the shoulders. Breathing in, breathing out. This is the last round. Just let go of anything that no longer serves you, any negative thoughts, any tension in the body. Exhale it out. Breathe into the light. Exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Fast or slow. You've got this. Just a few more. Let it out. Let anything go that no longer serves you. One more time. Breathe in. Stretch the arms up. Exhale, hand to heart. Anjali Mudra, breathing into your heart. Exhale, the arms to the legs. Breathe in and breathe out. You made it. I'm so proud of you. Such an amazing practice today. Thank you for joining me. Namaste. I invite you to stay in meditation for a few moments. Otherwise, thank you. I love you. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you on your mat next time. Goodbye. Subscribe below for more yoga, meditations, and recipes.